Summary of Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, Part 2. In the second part of Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, the story delves deeper into the challenges faced by Harry Potter and his friends during their 5th year at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. The novel explores themes of resistance, friendship loss, and the struggle against darkness. Umbridge's tyranny. Dolores Umbridge, a representative from the Ministry of Magic, becomes the defense against the dark arts teacher at Hogwarts. Her tyrannical rule and refusal to acknowledge the return of Lord Voldemort create an atmosphere of fear and frustration among the students and teachers. Umbridge's authoritarian approach and her efforts to suppress any discussion about Voldemort's return led to widespread discontent. In response to Umbridge's oppressive tactics, Harry, Ron, Hermione, and other students decide to take matters into their own hands. They form Dumbledore's Army, Dartar, a secret student group to learn and practice defensive magic. Under Harry's leadership, the day becomes a symbol of resistance against Umbridge's regime, giving hope to students who feel powerless in the face of injustice. Visions and dreams. Throughout the school year, Harry experiences disturbing visions and dreams that provide glimpses into Voldemort's thoughts and actions. These visions are a result of their psychic connection, which gives Harry insights into Voldemort's plans. The dreams often leave Harry feeling vulnerable and anxious, adding to the psychological toll he faces. The Prophecy and the Department of Mysteries. One of the central plotlines revolves around a prophecy concerning Harry and Voldemort. The prophecy, stored in the Department of Mysteries at the Ministry of Magic, foretells that either Harry or Voldemort must die at the hands of the other. Voldemort becomes obsessed with obtaining the prophecy, believing it holds the key to his ultimate victory. In a climactic sequence, Harry and his friends, accompanied by members of the Order of the Phoenix, venture into the Ministry of Magic to retrieve the prophecy before Voldemort can. A fierce battle ensues in the Department of Mysteries, showcasing the bravery and loyalty of Harry and his allies. However, tragedy strikes when Sirius Black, Harry's godfather, falls through a mysterious archway and dies during the battle. This loss profoundly affects Harry, leaving him devastated and angry. The power of friendship and unity. Amidst the challenges and losses, the novel emphasizes the strength of friendship and unity. Harry, Ron, and Hermione, along with other members of the DA and the Order of the Phoenix, demonstrate unwavering loyalty and support for each other. Their bond serves as a source of inspiration, driving them to resist evil forces and fight for what is right. Additionally, the story explores the complexity of relationships. Harry grapples with feelings of isolation and anger, but his friend's steadfast support helps him cope with his emotions. Ron and Hermione, too, face their own struggles and insecurities, highlighting the relatable aspects of their characters, lessons and growth. Order of the Phoenix also delves into the characters' personal growth and the importance of learning from adversity. Harry, in particular, undergoes significant development as he confronts the harsh realities of the wizarding world. He grapples with his identity, his connection with Voldemort, and the weight of his destiny. These challenges force him to mature, accept his responsibilities, and become a more resilient and determined individual. Hermione continues to excel academically and remains a voice of reason and compassion, while Ron demonstrates bravery and loyalty in the face of danger. The characters' growth and evolving dynamics add depth to the narrative, showcasing their multidimensional personalities. The role of the Order of the Phoenix. The Order of the Phoenix, a secret society founded by Albus Dumbledore, plays a crucial role in the fight against Voldemort. Comprising skilled witches and wizards, including Sirius Black, Remus Lupin, and Mad-Eye Moody, the Order operates covertly to counter the Dark Lord's influence. Their dedication to protecting Harry and the wizarding world highlights the importance of collective action and resistance against tyranny. The impact of loss. The novel deals with the theme of loss in a poignant manner. The death of Sirius Black, a beloved character, has a profound impact on Harry and his friends. It serves as a reminder of the dangers they face and the sacrifices made in the fight against Voldemort. The emotional depth of these moments resonates with readers, eliciting empathy and sadness for the character's pain. Conclusion and themes. Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix Part 2 concludes with a mix of triumph and tragedy. The story highlights the resilience of the human spirit, the power of friendship, and the importance of standing up against injustice. it also underscores the reality of loss and the challenges faced on the path to defeating darkness. Throughout the novel, J.K. Rowling skillfully weaves complex characters, intricate plot lines, and profound themes. The struggles faced by Harry and his friends mirror the challenges of real-life adolescence, making the story relatable and impactful for readers of all ages. As the characters navigate the complexities of the wizarding world, they inspire readers to confront their fears, value their friendships, and believe in the possibility of hope even in the darkest of times. Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix Part 2 stands as a testament to the enduring power of love, courage, and unity, making it a timeless tale that continues to captivate readers around the world.
So this was today's video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.